Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, my name is Tejal. So today I'm going to do a Hill Road haul for you guys. So recently I had been to Hill Road. Actually it's been a while, I guess in the month of Feb, like Feb ending. So that time I have purchased a lot of things from there. So I thought why not show you guys as well what all I purchased. So here I am doing a haul for you guys, and also please watch the entire video, do not skip, because I have mentioned the shop names and locations as well from where I got the tops and all. So yeah, keep on watching. But before starting this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also hit on that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, now let's get started with the video. So the first t-shirt that I got is this white t-shirt, as you can see. It is a normal t-shirt for in regular wear. This kind of t-shirt I really like for in regular wear. That's the reason I got this. And it's white, and also it says same old chick, so I got it. And I got this in the size large. There were a lot of sizes in this, like XL, small, medium as well. So I picked up large. It is a really nice material as well. I guess it is cotton. And also the quality of this t-shirt is really nice. It was for like 200 rupees. And I picked this one up. There was this vendor, like when you enter Hill Road, there's this Tea Villa Cafe. So beside Tea Villa Cafe, there's this vendors like selling this t-shirts for 200. So I got it from there. So it's in front of this shop called Unique Bells. There's a shop called Unique Bells. Just in front of that shop, they sell this t-shirts. There are also like t-shirts from Ajio as well, like Team Spirit ka t-shirt, DNMX ka t-shirts bhi tha, like I had seen that, and I already own one of that t-shirt from Team Spirit, and it was there as well, and it was just for 200 rupees, whereas I got it for like 300 rupees from Ajio. So I was like, but I already have it. So yeah, anyways, I got this t-shirt from there. Surprisingly, the t-shirt quality is really nice, and that's the reason I picked it up. It was for 200 rupees, as I already told you all. Then I got one more t-shirt from the same vendor. This is how it looks like. It is a grey t-shirt that I got. Now again, this is also a t-shirt for regular wear. I really like t-shirts, as I already told you all. And backside it is plain. Front it has like something written on it. Again, this also was for 200 rupees. So I got like two t-shirts from the same vendor. And again, I really like the quality of this t-shirts. It's really nice. Like both this t-shirt ka quality is really nice, and I really liked it. It was just for like 200 rupees. So I picked two of them. The next I got this top which I'm wearing today. It's a really nice top. I actually really liked it. There's this whole pattern, like a really nice design going on. It's plain. It's very sheer as well, like you can see through it, so you have to wear like a bralette underneath. It will look really nice with this. And yeah, I really like this top. Especially the sleeves of this is really nice. It has this some detailing going on. I really like it. I will insert like a close-up, like a full length, so you can see the top properly. And this top I got it like, so when you're facing towards Tea Villa Cafe, onto your left hand side there was this a guy who was selling like tops for 200. He was just basically hanging like hangers pe the. So I got like two of them. I will show you the another one in a minute. I don't know what color it is. It's really nice pastel blue, I guess, like a green bluish color. It's a really nice top. I really liked it, and it was just for like 200 rupees. I don't know whether that guy is there always, but yeah, luckily when I was shopping that time the guy was selling. So I got one more top from the same guy who was selling this. So I got this black top, as you can see. So as you can see, the sleeves of this is actually mesh detailing and like polka dots going on. Like I really like this top, man. You cannot say that this top is for just rupees 200. Yeah, I really liked it. And there's this like tie up thing as well, so you can like tie it up. I really like this, and backside is like plain black. So both this top is like a satin material. I really like this one as well, especially for the sleeves. Like I really liked it. I will like insert a close-up. Again, this one also was for like 200 rupees, and there were not like sizes available. एक एक ही piece था उन लोग के पास. My sister also actually liked this one, but unfortunately I picked it up, so I got it. She got another one, and basically this kind of a tops are pretty much like for 300 rupees or more than 300 for sure, but I got it for like just 200 rupees. I checked it, there is no whatsoever default. मैंने वहाँ पे ही खड़े रह के सब अच्छे से check करके लिया है. So yeah, I really like this one. The next I got this yellow sweatshirt, as you can see. It's a full sleeves sweatshirt. So it says, I am in my best mood, be more smiley world. So it's from this brand called Smiley World. As you can see, there is this logo. I don't know whether it's original or no. I got this in the size XL, and it's a like a really nice sweatshirt. Now again, it's summers, I know that. I got this in the month of January. I was supposed to go on a trip to Alibag, so that time I had got this. And yeah, I really liked it. Like it's great for winters. It's not appropriate for summers, and especially I can't wear this during the summers because it's super hot in Mumbai. So I can't really wear this one. But yeah, in winters you can definitely check this one out. And this one was for like 300 rupees. Now I guess I could have bargained and got it down to like 250 rupees. But I don't know, I really liked it, the color, the everything. Like basically I really like the look of it, and I actually needed it. I really like the color as well. I don't have a sweatshirt in like yellow, so that's the reason I got it, and I got it for like 300 rupees. And I got this one from the shop called New Collection. The shop name is New Collection. So there's Marks and Spencer, so opposite to that there's a lane. So in that lane I got, so there's a famous shop known as La Judi. So it's basically a shoe shop. It's called La Judi. It's very famous. So yeah, in that lane itself this shop is there. The next I got this t-shirt again. Now this is a plain salmon pink color t-shirt, as you can see. I don't have anything in this color. I feel this color ka t-shirt I really wanted. It's like a salmon pink, I guess. I really like it. I love this t-shirt. Now it says it's from Zara, but it's not original. Like they have just stitched there like Zara. It says Essential Zara, and I got this in the size large. You can basically get this t-shirts anywhere. Like when you enter Hill Road, every other shop has this kind of a t-shirt. Like it's a plain, and there are many colors as well. There was black, white, green, yellow, many colors, but I got this one specifically because I really like the color. I guess I'm gonna pick more of this for an everyday wear. It's great. Like you can just style it in so many ways. I really like this kind of a plain t-shirt, so I guess I'm gonna buy more of it. But now I don't know when I will be able to go because lockdown. So I got this one for 200 rupees, and I got this one from there's this shop, I don't know, there was no name. It's basically opposite to Elko Market. There's this place basically where the vendors sell like t-shirts. There are like shoe as well, there's jewelries as well. So there's basically a lot of thing in under one roof. So I got this t-shirt from there. It's basically opposite to Elko Market. Next time whenever I go, I don't know when I will go because of this lockdown, but whenever I go I will make like a market tour, like Hill Road market tour, and I will show you all the shops as well. But I hope this is helping you guys understand from where I got it. Then next, again, this is kind of a sweatshirt, I would call it. As you can see, it's in this beige color. And guess the price of this. This was just for 100 rupees. Opposite to Elko Market, there was, as I told you all, there are like a lot of shops there, like basically small vendors who sell. So there was this guy who was selling like everything for 100 rupees. So I got this one from that seller itself. It was just for 100 rupees, and I really like it. This one also I got it in the month of Jan. So yeah, I really liked it. I have wore it, and it doesn't look like a 100 rupees ka t-shirt. Like it doesn't feel like ye 100 rupees ka hai. It's such a good quality. Again, I love this one. Then next I got this t-shirt, as you can see. So it has this big smiley given, and again this is a tie-dye t-shirt. I wanted a tie-dye t-shirt from such a long time, and I finally have it now. And this is again from the brand called Smiley, and I got this in the size medium. It says S/M, so it's basically small medium, and it's like an oversized t-shirt. This one is like an oversized t-shirt, and I actually really liked it. It's cotton. I wanted a tie-dye t-shirt and I have it now. This was just for like 200 rupees. I got this from a shop called High Style. It's basically towards the end of Hill Road Market. So there's this shop called High Style. You can easily find that shop. Then next I got this dress, as you can see. It's a beautiful dress. I really like this. It's in this beautiful wine color. I really liked it. And this has this flower prints all over it. And front side there's this knot given so you can tie it up. And there's on your waist there's this elastic as well. So it just sits in beautifully. And bottom, as you can see, there's this ruffling kind of a thing. Now I have wore this already and I will insert like a picture of it. If you follow me on my Instagram, you already know that. So yeah, if you're not following me there, then do follow me. My handle is Tejal_Palyekar. Direct link will be in the description box. So do follow me on my Instagram. Just beside that High Style shop, there's this shop called Hilton Store. So in just front of that shop, there was this vendor who was selling one pieces for like 350 rupees, 450 rupees. So I got it from there. This was just for like 350 rupees. So I got it and I actually really liked it. It has this 3/4 sleeves as well. And there's this detailing as well, like a bell sleeves detailing, which I actually really like. And this was my next purchase. So next I got a pair of jeans as well. Now this is like a basic regular pair of jeans. And I got this from the store called High Style, from where I got the Smiley t-shirt. It's from the same store. And this jeans were just for like 500 rupees. So I got it. I basically get all my jeans, like most of them, from that particular store itself. So yeah, it's a basic regular jeans. It's a high waist jeans because I like high waist. It's a single button high waist jeans. Then next I got this shoes, as you can see. It's a really nice pair of shoe, as you can see. It's basically this light pink color. Now I have wore this, I have washed it as well, just so it looks new. These are really good quality shoes. I really like them and I got this one for like 550 rupees. He was not ready to bargain. I basically searched the entire market. I wanted it for 500 rupees but no one was ready to give it for 500 rupees. All were like, no, last 550 mein hi aayega, nahi to nahi. So I was like, okay, let's get it. So opposite to Elko Market, there was this vendor who was selling this shoes. So I got it from there. So next up, I have a couple of accessories. So first is this scarf style crunchie. As you can see, it's really nice. So it's in this beautiful peach color. तो मैंने actually ये crunchie एक shop में भी देखा था. तो मैंने उसको price पूछा था. तो वो 100 rupees बोल रहा था. Like just this one crunchie for 100 rupees. और ये same, like this particular same crunchie था. Quality and everything was like did to same, I feel, or it was quoting it for like 100 rupees. So basically वो छोटे छोटे vendors नहीं होते जो basket लेके टोकरी में सब कुछ लेके बेचते हैं, तो मैंने वहाँ से ही खरीदा है ये, and it was just for like 50 rupees. So I got it. Actually I would recommend you guys to get it from those vendors because it's much cheaper as well as compared to the store. Then next I got this hair clips, as you can see. Now this one also I got it from the same, like जो vendors रहते हैं वहाँ से ही मैंने खरीदा है ये सब भी, and it was just for like 30 rupees for a pair, which is good. I will like, looks nice, like a pearl feeling, but it's actually plastic, it's not pearl. So yeah, I really like this. So I got this and it was just for like 30 rupees. So I got this one. Then next, from again the same vendors, I got this hair clips as well, as you can see. Now this one are very trendy on Instagram, so I got this one. Now this one again I got it too, but I got it in different size. This is like kind of that triangle and this is like a rectangular shape. So I got this. It looks actually really nice. So this one also was for like 50 ka pair tha, so I got both of this for 50 rupees. I really liked it and it looks nice, so I got it. So next I got this shell earring, as you can see. And this one I got it for like 100 rupees. I don't know, no one was ready to bargain. I wanted it for like 50 rupees but no one was ready to give. So मैंने ये 100 रुपए का लिया है. Then next again I got this pair of hoops. I will open and show you guys. So these are basically like a golden hoops, as you can see. And these are like a bigger size and ये इस पे texture भी है. As you can see, this has like little bit texture. So yeah, it's really nice. And this one was for 50 rupees. Then next I got this neck piece, as you can see, shell neck piece. I really liked it. Really nice, and this was just for like 100 rupees. Now this, if you get it online, it is for sure more than 200 rupees, and this one I got it just for 100 rupees. I'm definitely gonna buy more of this because I really liked it. I haven't wore it outside, so I don't know how like the color will fade or no. So there's this shop opposite to Elko Market from where I showed you all that shoes. So just beside that shoe ka shop, there's this jewelry ka shop as well. So all this jewelry, I got it from that seller itself. So it's just beside that shoe ka shop. There's like variety of jewelries. There's like hoops, different types of hoops, different types of earring, very trendy as well. So definitely give that shop a try. You're gonna love it, and I'm absolutely loving this one. I'm definitely getting more of it. And that was the last piece that I got. I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, then please hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos like this. And beside the subscribe button, there's a bell icon, so don't forget to hit that bell icon as well, so that you'll always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So that's it. Bye bye. See you in my next one.